Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to find out the expiry days of a medicine basis the IFS function of Microsoft Excel. So let us first study this sheet. We are having a sheet in which the column names are item names. Here you have names of 10 different medicines, the stock quantity and their relevant expiry date. Now basis the expiry date from today, I want to find out the expiry alert. So if it is 0 days from today or it is less than 0 days, then it should show that it is expired. If it is between 1 to 45 days, it should show me as nearing expiry and it should come with a yellow fill. The expired date should come with a red fill. And finally, if it is greater than 45 days, it should show me sufficient time and it should come with a green fill. So let me show you how you can do the same using the IFS function of Microsoft Excel. So I have another sheet with me which is exactly like the earlier sheet except that the expiry alert column is empty. So let's construct the formula here. So I'll type equal to IFS open parenthesis. Now it is asking me the logical test. So here I'll give open parenthesis and I will say if the expiry date minus today means whatever is today's date, and I'll close parenthesis and I will say is less than 0, then it should show me as expired. Then the second condition, again I will give open parenthesis and I will say if d5 minus today, again I will say is less than 46, then it should show me as nearing expiry. And finally, I will say again open bracket and I will type if d5 is greater than 45, or if d5 minus today is greater than 45, then it should show me as sufficient time. Now I'll close bracket. Just let us see the formula. So the first criteria is if the expiry date is less than 0, it should show as expired. The second criteria is if the expiry date minus today is less than 46, it should show me as nearing expiry. And the third criteria, if d5 minus today is greater than 45, then it should show me as sufficient time. I'll hit enter and then I will just copy the formula down. So here you can see, let's assume that today's date is 19th March. So 31st 1 2024 is already expired, so it is showing me expiry. Now 31st March, so it's nearing expiry. 30th July, sufficient time, and so on. Now what about the color fills? In order to get the color fills, we highlight this particular column this way and then we go into home, and in the home tab we select conditional formatting. In conditional formatting we select highlight cell rules and there we say equal to. Now here we say if the value is equal to expired, then what it should show. So I'll say custom format and I will say fill, and in fill I will select red fill and click on OK. Again I'll click on OK. One more time I'll go into conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and I will say equal to, and here I will type if it is equal to nearing expiry, then it should show me. So I'll select custom format and here I will select the fill effect as yellow and then I will select OK. And again I'll select OK. Finally, again, I'll go into conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to, and here I will type if it is sufficient time, then it should show me with a green fill. So I will select green fill and I will select OK. Okay. And then again I'll select OK. And here I'll just write it green. So here you can now see that wherever it is expired, it will show me red. Wherever it is nearing expiry, it will show me with a yellow fill. And wherever it is greater than 45 days, it would show me sufficient time. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this particular video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.